Namaskar. I'm Shobna Narayan, and at the outset, I would like to wish all viewers a very happy Vasant. I'm grateful to Dr. Mridula Tandon for giving me this opportunity of being with you all today, this evening, and share with you my thoughts on Vasant. Vasant, spring. What does it mean to me? For me, it means hope. It means an eternal looking forward to new blossoms, the buds. It brings with it vistas of yellow mustard fields, of spring in the air, the koel singing, the birds chirping, desire in our hearts for union with our beloved. You know, it also reminds me of the fact that when you see the beautiful mustard field, what does somebody else go through? And it reminds me of a very beautiful poem that I'd like to share with you, and which is going to be part of my rendering. It is नजर हटाना चाहे, नजर हटाना चाहे, हटा ना पाए, बाहों में भर लेना चाहे, भर ना पाए। एक टक देखता है घंटों तक और घर लौटता है बड़ी देर से। अब गांव में चर्चा है, वो आवारा है, बदचलन है, उसे गांव की बहू बेटियों को बचाना है, पर कोई नहीं उसे जाना है। वो किसान है और जिसे वो घंटों तक देखता है और अपने बाहों में भर लेना चाहता है, वो और कहीं नहीं, वो साल दर साल के अकाल के बाद पीली सरसों की चादर में लिपटी हुई उसी की बंजर भूमि है। ये भी है, this is a beautiful piece which shows eternal yearning and hope and fulfillment of even a farmer. A farmer who's looking at his mustard fields in full bloom with such beautiful longing eyes, full of pleasure and joy. He wants to embrace it in his arms, but he's unable to do so. And everywhere people are talking, oh, we have to protect our women from him. I think he's not a good person. But nobody realizes that he's a farmer whose famine-ridden land, after several years, is coated, enveloped in the beautiful shades of the mustard field with blooming mustard flowers. Here is it. So here is another beautiful symbol of hope. There is yet another symbol, that all the branches of the trees have new leaves in it. They are flowering. The little petals are opening their lips, their faces, showing their glowing faces. The seeds are sprouting. That is what spring brings. There's a thawing of emotions, of spirits. And there is the Naika who's waiting to look to see whether her beloved returns. But alas, he hasn't come. And she says, when are you going to come? And then there are the others who are waiting for the onset of spring and going out and mingling with joy and playing with joy. Then there is an elderly person who's at the fag end of his life and who's waiting for the eternal spring of eternity to come. And at the same time, he sees that eternal spring generating, reflecting in that new little arrival at home. The new arrival comes, but he passes with that eternal spring of hope to merge with the divine. There are so many pieces and so many different ways of expressing this eternal hope, this eternal joy, this eternal yearning for union with the Paramatma, the beloved, the divine.
Chala क्या दिन थे रंग में डूबा आज कितना अनुरंजित मन कितना अनुरंजित मन कितना कितना अनुरंजित मन कितना अनुरंजित मन तन कांप रहा विकसित मन तन कांप रहा तन कांप रहा विकसित मन तन कांप रहा विकसित मन तन कांप रहा कांप रहा कांप रहा तन कांप रहा विकसित मन कांप रहा विकसित मन मंगल में आया मंगल में आया मंगल में आया आज बसंत मंगल में आया आज बसंत आज बसंत क्या दिन थे वो रंग में डूबा आज रंग में जीवन रंग में डूबा जीवन रंग में डूबा जीवन रंग में डूबा जीवन क्या दिन थे वो रंग में डूबा आजीवन कितना अनुरंजित बंधन कितना अनुरंजित बंधन कांप रहा विकसित मन तन कांप रहा विकसित मन मंगल में आया आज मंगल में आया आज बसंत आज बसंत आज बसंत आज बसंत आज